In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add video in a Gamma AI presentation. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place a playable video right inside your deck using a simple link so your audience can watch without leaving your presentation. First, open your Gamma project. Head to the workspace and choose the specific presentation where you want the video to appear. It helps to think ahead about where the clip will be most impactful. Perhaps on a section opener, a demo slide, or anywhere a short visual can replace a long paragraph. Once the project is open, click into the page or card that should host the video so you're ready to insert it exactly where you want it to live. Next, click on Videos and Media. This is your hub for rich content. You'll typically find it in the Insert or Toolbar area, and it reveals the media options supported by Gamma. Opening this panel makes it easy to keep your workflow focused in one place, rather than switching tabs or dragging in files that might not embed cleanly. If your layout is tight, give yourself a little room on the page so the video frame has space to load and display clearly. Now, click on the video option you want. Selecting the video block tells Gamma you intend to place a playable element on the page. After you click, you'll see a placeholder frame or field where the link will go. Choose the style that fits your content. Some blocks emphasize a larger player, others balance text and media in a single layout. The important part here is simply selecting the video block so Gamma is ready to embed. Finally, paste your link. Copy the URL from your hosting platform, commonly YouTube, Vimeo, or Loom, and paste it into the link field in Gamma. The platform will automatically recognize supported links, fetch a preview, and convert that placeholder into an embedded player. For the smoothest results, use a standard shareable URL with embedding enabled and make sure the video's privacy settings allow viewers to play it. If nothing appears, double-check that the link isn't behind a sign-in wall or restricted to private viewing. Once the preview loads, you'll see the familiar play controls. You can typically position the block where it reads best and keep enough surrounding space so captions, titles, or callouts remain legible. A quick visual pass for contrast and alignment will help the video feel native to your design. That's it. Your video is now embedded in your Gamma AI presentation, ready to play during your talk or for viewers to watch on their own.